we're going to Lund with Milena.
Ammi.
Амми?
Ammi.
А это кто?
Mama.
Дяма?
Do you want to go in the lecture room?
Can we? It feels really nice, and I want to eat. Jag, I gotta move like Jag. One more backstage of my box of beauty. Really nice life hack. If you don't have the numbers, you can make it yourself. Happy birthday, dear Milena!
Raindrop on the blacktop, hot stuff, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town.
I think you can guess where I am, guys. Кто это?
Ammi.
Амми?
Ammi.
А это кто?
Mama.
Dama? Hi guys, it's me, Jami. I'm here on the train station in one city. I will not say which one because I don't want people to know where I'm. But we're going to Lund with Milena. Здравейте, приятели! It's good morning. At the moment we are now in English.
Don't say where.
It's a secret. We are at the train station going to Lund for like a small reunion of our bachelor kids. Bachelor kids friends that we were studying with in Lund. And I just wanted to tell you what happened yesterday. I came to the train station like 1 hour earlier than I was supposed to, and I saw that the train, like the one that is now going like from the train station, is going also to Hässleholm. So I was like, maybe I can ask the guy like who is like managing the train if I can like enter this one instead of the next one. So I ran to him and I was like, can I enter this train and instead of the like next one, so I will not lose 1 hour? And he was like, run, we're leaving now, and I just ran into like, you know, the third one, the third piece of the train. And then I saw like, I sit down and I was so scared that they're gonna kick me out from the train. But like later I realized that there was like 6 people in the same like part of the train, and all of them were supposed to go to the next one, but all of them decided to enter this one. So we actually came 1 hour earlier to the destination. I don't know guys if you can see that, but there are like 3 bees. Babe, it's next to you. Time to talk. So we ate a disgusting lunch. I will be really honest, the thing that I taped, it looked disgusting and it tasted disgusting because it was for vegetarians, and I'm far away of being vegetarian. I'm just saying that like straightforward, I can't live without meat, and I think I told you before that. So for me it was really bad food, but Milena and the others really liked it. And now we're just walking around Lund and yeah, just enjoying the nice weather and talking, remembering times, old times. Gonna walk around the city later because now we're in the university part. I'm really scared to show you again one more time Lund, so I'm just gonna put some nice parts of Lund. Like now all the buildings are already with the leaves and they're getting like reddish and orange. so it looks really nice. Actually, I love Lund in the autumn because all the leaves that are on the building, they're becoming colorful. Oh, that's my favorite street. You see the leaves are getting red over there, so that's pretty cool. We were eating lunch here to have a blogger friend over there. This is how the classroom looks like. I cried so many times on this place because I was so close to drop out from the university because it was super hard for me. Now I'm gonna show you like the first ever classroom. Oh, the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen looks like that. See? We had a coffee machine and the microwaves. Oh, that was the first class I entered as a student here. So much memories. Oh guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that all of them are our previous classmates.
Introduction is 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Do you want to go in the lecture room?
Can we?
Thank you so much, Boris.
Oh.
Do you remember the first day when we had to say like how we want to change the world?
Yeah.
I knew that if I sat with you guys, I would not listen to anything.
Here or there?
Now, винаги седяхме отпред и Сара. Sara was on the first.
One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, maybe I can get it right.
The first question we got when we entered the class was, why are we in this program? And like every third person was like, we want to save the world. And guess what? We're not saving the world. We're standing like here in the middle of the road, just trying to figure out where to go, and she was like, and then she started to laugh. This is why I love Sweden and Swedish people. They are always nice, even like in the weird situations like that. There is one more nation that I was talking about, where me and Milena became friends.
Love me right. Love me right.
Here in this little house, they sold like bikes and like second-hand bikes. And the first days when the Lund, like university starts, they have bikes all around this place, and students come and like buy them. You know, it brings so much memories when you're like in the places, especially with the same friends, and you know, it feels so warm inside, and like it feels really, really nice. And I want to eat. Okay, we're gonna go and do fika now. For those who doesn't know, fika is when you go and drink coffee or tea with some sweets. We have a word in Swedish for that.
But I've been wasting so much time trying to figure out what's mine instead of just living my own life.
Time to go back to Kristianstad. Spent a really nice day with friends, and now time to go home. We're gonna watch some movie, eat dinner and chat. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow. I gotta move like Jack, I gotta move like Jack, I gotta move like Jagger.
To mój!
Dawaj, idzie sюда. Taksi.
Daj to super!
Taking 2 singing hits for the pants on a single coaster. Never want to
forgot to say good morning, and also that I didn't tape yesterday. We were just at home playing with kids and just chilling, and today we're celebrating Milena's birthday. And one more backstage of my box of beauty. The plan is that we ate the waffles for the breakfast. Well, now it's 12, and later we will go to her parents' place, and also then later we will go to eat dinner in a restaurant, and later we're gonna watch what was the name of this movie? Slenderman. I think we're gonna shit in our pants. By the way, when we came to this place, it's a waffle place, and not this one, this one, and you know, like one waffle costed 45 kronas, which is like almost 5 euros, and like the buffet is like you can eat like non-stop. It costed like 60, which is like 6 euros, and we're like, what? They only had like white chocolate, black chocolate, not even like a milk chocolate, but black chocolate. And the waffles you make yourself, so I was like, Swedish style. They have free bananas for kids. Look, in the grocery shop. We came to buy a cake for Milena. And they're eating banana now.
Life hack. И Джама вика, ти се опитваш да направиш 9 и той вика, аз не се опитвам, аз съм го направил.
But it's really nice life hack. If you don't have the numbers, you can make it yourself.
Браво, Емило! Браво!
Really good idea.
People are paying, I make them, okay? No problem.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Milena. Happy birthday to you.
Чакай, сега трябва да пожелая желание и да духаме.
Айде, духайте.
Айде!
Едно, духайте! 3! Ай, се разтопи даже тортата, бе! What? No, it's one that you can take.
Oh yeah, it was one too. There is a candy shop in Sweden that is called Hemmakväll, and you have like all kind of sweets here, like lots of them, and like drinks, chips over there, and movie time. I'm sorry, I started speaking Bulgarian. She misunderstood the camera. Scared?
No, scared me. I'm the man, okay? Scared.
Babe?
Yeah, I'm really scared.
Okay, I'm gonna see you in the end of the video, okay?
You're gonna see me and Alex like this, and you two like.
If you just hear like a girl scream, that means it's either Mike or Alan.
We're back home. The movie was... Milena and Mike didn't like it, and they said that it wasn't scary, but I think it wasn't scary, but when everyone will be alone, and especially during the night, we will be really scared. But yeah, I will say good night at this point, and tomorrow I'm going back. So I guess that's it for this vlog, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Babe.